Our next top product of 2018. Videoguys Top Product 2018 award goes to the BirdDog Mini. Last year, the BirdDog Studio won the award. This year, it's the BirdDog Mini. The Mini is a lower cost version, $595. It supports HDMI only, but it is an NDI converter. What makes it so unique versus other converters that are out there is the NDI is the BirdDog Mini and the BirdDog Studio now have the ability to encode and decode. What does decode mean? Decode means that you can actually take the Mini, put it on your network, and have the output of any device on the network play through the Mini. So your TriCaster could be playing to a television in another room in your facility via NDI. That is a very cool feature. BirdDog Mini at $595. It's priced right if you're looking to get it in there. This is full NDI, folks. This isn't NDI HX, it's full NDI, so it's wired. It requires Gig E. It's HDMI only, HDMI in and out, but at $595, BirdDog Mini, phenomenal product. Would like to congratulate the folks over at BirdDog for once again being on the Videoguys Top Products of 2018. Great job, BirdDog.